If I have a rocket with no fins and blow a fan on it, it'll always turn sideways into the wind.
And it wants to be sideways.
But if I put fins on it, then it'll fly straight into the wind. But why? Well, there are two important points on a rocket: the center of gravity, where it would balance on a point, and the center of pressure, where it would balance if I held it at a pivot point into the wind. If the center of gravity is higher than the center of pressure, then the rocket will fly straight into the wind. But if the center of gravity is lower than the center of pressure, then the rocket will curve. So adding the fins gives the lower end of the rocket more side wind resistance, which lowers the center of pressure to keep the rocket flying straight. But you may have noticed that SpaceX rockets don't have fins at all. That's because their thrusters are on a gimbal, which continually corrects for the rocket trying to turn into the wind. Then once they get to space, there's no wind at all, so they don't need the fins anyways. Now you're all rocket scientists.